Do you need more customer orders or sign up more clients? You can promote your business without spending a cent using content marketing. The trouble is many of us get overwhelmed with knowing what to make and how to make it, and your content just isn't getting the attention it needs. Often it just feels like you're throwing spaghetti against the wall and hoping something sticks. Don't waste hours trying to figure it out on your own, get frustrated, think it's all too hard and not share anything, because that's not going to get you sales. You don't need to do dance videos to promote your business, and while that cat meme did get 10,458 views, didn't get you any leads. No sales, just wasted time. What you need is a content marketing strategy to give you clean messaging so you attract your ideal buyer and pinpoint what motivates them to act. And then you need to answer the specific questions potential buyers are asking. And this is what makes you discoverable online, so people can find you. You got to build a community over just followers. We need to get to know you because people buy from people, and you have to show up consistently to do that, which is why you need a plan to create content that connects with your buyer without the burnout. Stop sharing and boosting random posts thinking that's going to make people line up at your door. And please, don't waste your money outsourcing anything until you've got all your ducks lined up in a row. That's why I created Content Catalyst Blueprint, an online course to give you a content marketing strategy and plan so you can nail your niche, know what to talk about, get AI assistance to save you hours each month, have a system to batch and repurpose, a content planner to organize or outsource, plus search engine visibility no matter your niche. Then get a blueprint today to create content that converts.